Augmenting VAR with AI, a proposal to the FIFA Referees Committee. The opportunity. Awarding penalty kicks for fouls in the 18-yard box are among the most high-profile referee controversies in the game. The perception of a mistake in this crucial area can undermine confidence in referees and the organization that oversees their decision-making. AI/machine learning can help solve this problem. The intervention. Adding AI/machine learning to existing VAR technologies would mean IFAB rules and past referee practices regarding penalty kicks could be part of real-time decision-making during a game. Decades of coverage, playback, and refereeing expertise could be evaluated by AI/machine learning within the existing VAR process. Reviewing important or controversial referee decisions is already happening at the IFAB, but only after a game takes place. Mistakes such as the handball decision in the Portugal-Uruguay game at the 2022 FIFA World Cup could have been avoided if this AI/machine learning augmentation to VAR had been available at the time. Maintaining respect for officials. Referees, assistant referees, and video-assisted referees would still be in charge of decision-making. AI could collate and elevate historical video data quickly so there is minimal slowdown of the game. AI can identify more parallel historical situations and evaluate them more thoroughly than human subjects can. It is not undermining referee decision-making. As with VAR and goal line and offside technologies, AI augmentation of VAR would only make spectators, fans, officials, and players more confident in the decision-making process. Gathering the data. The data needed for this AI/machine learning logarithm already belongs to FIFA and can be found in the thousands of hours of gameplay, replays, and refereeing decisions recorded and broadcasted over the last several decades. The specific data for inclusion could be limited by the FIFA Referees Committee and the IFAB to matches where gameplay and refereeing most closely follow optimal standards and rules or include a much broader data set, such as the last 10 World Cups. The metrics applied would be classification-based, evaluating information across a specific range of data points established by the FIFA, RC, and IFAB. Testing and rollout. The training and testing of this AI/machine learning initiative could take place across an entire season without public involvement or awareness. Areas of consideration could run the gamut from speed and angle of player impacts to the player positions, blocking goalie sightlines, from breakdowns of natural arm positions and handballs to identifying intentional rather than accidental falls and slides. Overfitting would be avoidable in this case, though identifying a small class of situations and criteria for intentional evaluation and testing for metrics such as accuracy and overall correctness before adding additional parameters to the data field as the AI training continues. The expansion and contemporaneous preponderance of data would be ongoing as new games are added to the materials available to the AI/machine learning programmers. Rollout would only occur in the season following AI training and testing. Benefits for other stakeholders. Spectators would have their experience of the game improved through added confidence in referee decision-making without slowing play. FIFA and its subsidiary organizations would benefit from enhanced institutional stature due to reduced human error and more consistent refereeing. Owners and managers would benefit through reduced mistakes in refereeing that can impact morale and success. Players would no longer be incentivized to exaggerate fouls in the penalty area. Instead, AI/machine learning even more that current VAR playbacks could improve the relationship between players and referees by reducing the game's reliance on limited individual human perceptions.